Hi, this is Matthew from ABC Power Tools, and today I'm going to start an FS38 and go over the starting procedure for you. So, first things first, you want to fill it with fuel, and I'm going to fill it with Moto Mix here. So I'm just going to open up the tank and fill it up. About 80% of the machines that come in for repair are due to improper fuel mixtures or old gas. So the Moto Mix is a great way to avoid all of that. It's pre-mixed synthetic fuel at 50:1 ratios, and it's 92 octane. So it's better than anything that you'll get at the gas station. If you're not using Moto Mix, you have to mix with a 50:1 ratio, 50 parts premium fuel and 1 part oil, mixed into a 5-liter jerry can, and then pour it in. Regular fuels from the gas station you should run through at least once per month. So step 1, once I have my fuel, is you want to turn the unit on. So O is for off, I is for idle. So I'm going to switch it to idle. Next thing I want to do is I want to lock the throttle for starting. So I'm not going to be able to do that until I grab the safety lever. Now I can lock the throttle in place with this little tab at the bottom, and you can see it'll hold it in place. The unit will start turning once I start it, so you want to make sure that everything's clear from the string head. And now I'm going to go over how to choke it and actually start the unit. So I want to start by priming it 3 times. I'm just going to pull the fuel through first because this is the first start. So 1, 2, 3. And then you can see right here, I have my choke lever. The insignia there covering the path, that is my choke. Choke is on, choke is off. So I'm going to start with it being on, and now I can pull over the unit. So I'm going to pull it over about 3 to 5 times, and I'm going to wait to hear the fire. If you pull it over more than 5 and you don't hear the fire, you probably missed it. You're going to want to take the choke off to make sure you don't flood the engine. So again, make sure everything's clear. You hear the fire. Now I'm going to move the choke lever to off, and now it's actually going to start the engine. So 1 or 2 pulls, it's going to start. It's going to start turning the head, and then I'll grab the throttle, which will remove the throttle lock, and now the unit is free to run. What do you mean by that? Once the unit's warm, I can just switch it to idle, and I'll pull it over without the choke, and the unit should run. And that's how you start an FS38.